but we have to according to the Beijing principle to do. But the most important is to make Professor Yang said in the clinic, according to the condition, according to patient any different special charge to use the herbs treatment. We don't only copy from the textbook. 这个医这医也就是要求我们医生啊，在临床当中根据中医的原则去进行治疗，一定要学会灵活的应用，灵活的这个使用这个草药。现在这个 flu change very much, bird flu, SARS, that is belong to same problem, virus infection. 但是中医它总是有办法来对付它。 所以这就是中医的长处。Thank you, Professor Yang. For the next we move on to the lecture Wei Ai-Ling from Mauritius.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, physicians and doctors. Today, it is a great honor for me to be here in University of the Western Cape to have this opportunity to speak and share about experience about for our Jiangtang traditional Chinese health center to treat and prevention of diabetes. I'm very sorry if my English is not so good, but I try. My name is Ai-Ling Wei. I come from Guangxi College of Physical Education, China, and also Jiangtang Traditional Chinese Health Center, Mauritius. I practice Kung Fu and Tai Chi more than 40 years, but for Chinese medicine, I'm just a student. And during the practice, we feel the traditional Chinese medicine have many ways, have an advantage. So today I want to share something. You know, Mauritius is a hometown of paradise. Covered a special sugarcane garden. So its veritable name is Sweet Island. So when you have time, you'll come to Mauritius. And the people living leisurely, but now diabetic, increasing number 3 in the world. Ancient Chinese medicine was first document the tale of diabetic symptoms and complications. There have 3 more. Up is mouth thirsty more. Middle we call it stomach hungry more. Down is urine more. That is the 3 important symptoms. And a large number of documents to effectively use Bo-Ying, Tai Chi, conditioning diet, and the herbal medicine, massage, acupuncture to treat and prevention the diabetic. And the first to recognize the close relationship between diet and the lifestyle. According to traditional Chinese medicine, understanding how to make a diabetic, the reason have 2. Reason 1 is it's a diet. Now the fashion people, they eat more and more fat and less practice. So when you eat too much, the stomach and the spleen will be tired. That is not only one day, maybe every day have party, eat too much, and then will make the stomach tired and not digest very well. A long time after, they will be stale in your stomach, and we can say make some not nutrition will become toxin. So if you stay there a long time, they will be blocked your meridian. And we practice less the fat not burning. So that's why we make the people at first. Diabetic people is fat. In 5 elements, we said muscle belong to earth. So I think every people know, if we want to plant something, but first we have to use the soil. Let the soil softly, and then you can put water, you can put fertilizer. Yes, they are easy to touch it. If the earth is very hard, to put water or anything, it won't be work once they come into the earth. So the Chinese medicine we told you is the massage can relax your muscle. The muscle belongs to earth. The earth have to soft. And when your muscle soft, and the nutrition can translate. And they can carry the good nutrition into your body everywhere till you fail. And then they carry the rubbish toxin from your stool, your urine, your spit out of your body. So in our center, we request the client, the first, eat not every day, it's 100% full. We let them to eat 70%, especially for dinner. And the diet structures is 3 parts for principal food, like rice, wheat. But for our treatment, we don't let the people eat too much wheat, because wheat is more nutrition, less sugars inside, but it's difficult to stomach to digest. So we let the patient eat rice more. They worried, they said, the doctor told us you couldn't eat a lot of rice, just a little bit. But we said try, because you already treated diabetes 10 years, 20 years. You got bad and bad, but why now you try to do the new thing? So they said, okay, no choice, we try. So after trying, they told us, Madam, you're right. Because after we eat rice, the sugar high. But 2 hours later, it becomes down. That is the very important thing. It means your pancreas still work, still make insulin to work to balance your body's sugar. So that is the we appoint the thing. And we let them do the sport and Tai Chi at least 1 hour per day. And we also guide them how to do the massage, because massage come to the center, they spend a lot of time and also cost a lot. So we guide them how to do massage themselves, follow the meridian, how to do that. And the reason too is lifestyle. The modern lifestyle, everything is quickly, powerful, and make people have many stress and stress. And this one influences the liver not smooth out, and also influences the large intestine and the lung to collect and emission. And the 2 points of that is the emotion, and the other one is desire too much. The people now, they want to work a lot, got a lot, wish a lot. So this one sometimes it's normal, it's okay. It's too much, it's not good. So when you do too much desire, you will use a lot of your energy. So energy comes from the kidney. So you'll be feeling kidney wasting. So most of diabetic people, or some people, they have loose hair, they have some problems. Yeah, they have one symptom, it's waist pain. It's waist pain. Yeah, the waist is tired and pain for a long time. Normally it's more than 5 years. So that means their kidney is not working. And the other ones we said it's in bone, but this case is very less really type 1 diabetic. So for Chinese, to follow the Chinese medicine, we said 5 elements, correspondence, internal organ, one influence another. For modern treatment, important is to control indicators, but did not pay attention if the people body block the meridian or somewhere blocked, how they transport the nutrition and transport the toxins to go. And so where block more, you will have a symptom where it's pain. And when we do the treatment, we do check body. We will be fine. The different people have different place block. So we follow this information to give the people treatment. Our Jiangtang traditional Chinese medicine follow this idea to dialectic yin and yang, and then to make a treatment. Now I will share some, give you some example. The first example is for the case is for type 1 insulin injection. Tan V, he named Tan V, 13 years boy, have 4 years diabetic. One day at school, he's unconscious. He went to the hospital, the blood sugar was 40. And the doctor said he's a diabetic, one style, type 1. And he take insulin. Every day he take every day he take 20 or 30 in the morning and in the evening. And 2 years later, he changed insulin pump. He is a student. At school he likes play. And when he played more, his blood sugar will drop down to 3. And then he drenched, he feeling weak, he trembling. And then quickly to eat sugar or cake. And then the blood sugar rise to 20 or something like that. So for his case, it's very difficult to control the blood sugar. And then his diabetic doctor introduced him to come to my place. In 2012, August, he started holiday and started treatment. So every day he follow our request, practice or play 1 hour more. And also we let him to eat food or cook at home, not eat outside. Because outside they have many food, they put some good taste, good color that the kids like to eat. So that's chemical things for us, it's not good. And then he, 1 week later, he stopped insulin. We not let him to take insulin. And one day his dad told me, he said, Madam, give you information. Last night we have a party. My son eat a big plate of cooked rice. Eat as usual, he have to add the insulin 18 units. But yesterday he's not taking insulin, but his blood sugar is 13. 13 is his almost take insulin after, and then breakfast is fast rating is 13/40. So he said, I'm very happy. And then he said, I let my son move the insulin bump. And then he do the treatment, he press it every day and every 2 days. And after treatment, about 50 days, he not take any insulin. So the thing is after holiday, he have to go to school and study is very intention. And then his father said, for the safe, I prefer to wear the insulin bump again. And every day he said, just put 10 units insulin with him. So in 2013, we have feedback from him to follow his information. He started to say, good, he's quite good. And he said every day he also used the less than 10 units insulin to take. So this will give us have some point. It's insulin bump. It's very fashion. We can measure your blood sugar and give your insulin to take how many units automatic. We can measure it and then automatic. But for our side, we think this one disturb your body make insulin. let your pancreas work. Because when we high a little bit, we call body has every day eat food, we have energy. And the energy will be push your whole body work. So when the body works well, everything, energy will be right. And your blood sugar also rise. But when it rises, the body wants to start work, and then the insulin give you inside. So they always follow your insulin, not to work by yourself. The second case is diabetic complication of kidney damage patient. Mr. Vishnu, 47 years old. He have a diabetic 10 years. The fast reading it was 3 to 12. Every day take 2 pills, morning and evening. His blood pressure sometimes 20, quite high, and the hemoglobin lowers 6.6. He have many symptoms like diabetic, have a headache, leg pain, shoulder pain, eyes pain, and eyes view is not good, and special for limbs and waist area pain. His leg and muscles every night cramp and numb. He couldn't work regular, and one day he also is unconscious. He went to the hospital, and the doctor said he have a problem for diabetic ketoacidosis. Too professional. And the doctor said he have a damaged kidney, more than 50%. So stop chemical medicine, use insulin. He needed to do the dialysis, otherwise he just can live for 3 months. He told me his father died because the kidney damage. And then his whole family very worried to bring him to come to my, he come to my center in 2012, January. Where treatment is because he's really lost a lot, and his body energy is very less. His hemoglobin is very low. So the doctor first idea is give him energy rebuild. Most the people, if they still have energy, will not give him more energy by the herbal. We have to straight to clean the body, clean the toxin, follow the special herbal. But for him, he's very young, weakness, and then we build his hemoglobin and energy first. And after he feeling better, not so tired, and then we start to do the treatment. For the massage, we do clean the body, a block, and acupuncture directs his meridian, and herbal to conditioning his qi and blood. And we also have a special pills, traditional pills, we call it the Hua Tang Wan. And after a few months of treatment, his whole body almost not pain, only once tired. He told us with the area pain. You know, he works very hardly after that. Since 2013, he just can come. Once he feeling not good, he just come here. He work places in furniture factory, and that place conditioning is very much pollution. And in 2014, this year, January, he bring the blood test report. His fast rating is 6.7, and his HbA1c is 7.2%. His hemoglobin is 8.8, and the uric acid a little high, is 43.7. Cholesterol is 4.8. The point is till now, without dialysis, and still can work hardly. That's it. And according to our recent clinical observation, by the treatment 56 cases for diabetic patients, only 3 of them will not take any chemical medicine. Other of them by the treatment for many years. And then even you use some insulin. Then they have a very varying degree of symptom and uncomfortable complication by serious heart and brain and kidney or nerves ending lesion. So after comprehensive conditioning treatment, they are getting good report. And efficacy reaches to 8.3%. So outstanding clinic result. Few side effects. Prevention and treatment of diabetic complication is advantage observed. Thank you very much.